My name's John Gross. This is my 4th year at BSM. In addition to teaching in the math department, I also coach the Ultimate Frisbee program. Our math department's made up of 13 individual teachers from across the junior high and the senior high. I think some of the things that make us really unique are the different techniques that we use to teach and the ability for us to collaborate and get along really well. We don't stay set in one course all the time, so it keeps people teaching different things, which brings new eyes and makes it so that we have different ways and perspectives of asking questions and looking at them, so that the courses are always staying fresh. So our Algebra 1 course is not the same stagnant Algebra 1 course it was in the 2000s. It's always growing and changing. When I first think about the courses at BSM that make us unique, I think our blended program jumps off the page to me. It's all about students monitoring how they learn and self-pacing themselves. So we empower the students to learn how they learn while they're learning math. So it's an independently paced course with the instruction and the guide of a teacher. So they still meet with the teachers every single day, but they're the ones setting the pace and gauging their learning. When are they ready to assess? When are they ready to grow? I think the other thing that struck me when I came to BSM that was different and unique is the math community that we have here. As I said earlier, the teachers are all very, very close and we're very friendly, and that's made it so that everybody wants to be around the math department. I remember walking through the first year and seeing in our math team there were 40 students before school competing, and that was different than any school I'd been at, that students would come early to work on math and be on the math team together. The big question that we aim to answer in the math department at BSM is where are we going to use this and how can we get them doing math, not just listening and getting lectured to. And so during our block periods, we really have the students in a normal year up and moving and experimenting with different things. And I think an extension to that curriculum that we have is our math team and our after-school program. It does very, very well. We've performed in the top 2 in the city and in the state constantly over the last 20, 30 years. And just the involvement and the student buy-in there kind of shows what we have in the math department and how special it is. If I was to talk to a prospective student and say, what do I want them to know? It would really come down to that we really care and that we're very close as teaching faculty, and students can see that hard work pays off for us. And so if you're a good student, we will make you better where you are. If you're a student who maybe struggles historically or math hasn't been your favorite thing, we will help you get the foundations and the fundamentals to grow into being a better student.